Okay, right. Hello once again, YouTubers. Andy with you with another video. So we are on location here at a nice hotel in Hammamet in Tunisia. Not been here before, first time here. Very nice place actually. So we're just set out here Wednesday morning, relaxing. Bit of news regarding my drones. I did not realise this, although I did do some research. Before I came out, I did a simple kind of a Google research. Are drones allowed in Tunisia? It turns out that yes, they are. There is a weight limit, but they're kind of like, I don't know, something like about 23 kilograms or something is the weight limit. Not like my 249 grams or my 156 grams of the Neo or thereabouts. So anyway, I didn't have a problem going through Luton Airport. The problem came when I tried to get them through customs in Tunisia. So we basically been waiting an absolute age for one of our bags to come through onto the carousel. It basically didn't turn up. I made an inquiry and they said there may be a problem with the bag, and it was my suitcase where the drones were. And then after about 10 minutes there were some officials came up with my suitcase. They plonked it on a desk and said, "Can I open it, please?" Goodness me, I was thinking, have they found drugs or something? Anyway, so they were interested in the drones, so I opened up the package. And my wife's just gone over there. I'm over here, sir. Hello? I'm over here. I'm over here. Over here. To your left. To your left. Yes. My gosh. Wow. I think your GPS has gone wrong or something. Anyway, yeah. Bless her. Anyway, so yeah, they pulled me aside and they opened up. I opened up the case, and you're right. Just remember where the bar is. We're just to the right of the bar. Okay. Which is over there. It's not quite open yet, and when it does I'll be in there. Yeah, anyway, so I opened up the case and pointed to the drones, and they basically, long story short, they basically confiscated them, gave me a receipt, and it means that I'm droneless for this holiday. I was hoping to go out on some excursions and take my drones with me and do some lovely drone shots of the surrounding area, like I normally do in Turkey and Greece and other places, but it looks like Tunisia, I'm afraid I'm going to be droneless. A bit disappointing. They did explain to me that drones are forbidden in Tunisia, so a bit of a cautionary tale there for anyone who's coming out to Tunisia hoping to fly their drones. I would leave them at home if I were you. I don't know what's going on, whether I'm going to see my drone. I got this nasty suspicion that I'm not going to see my drones again. That's just a hunch, which I hope doesn't come true. I have got a receipt. I hope to get to the airport on the return flight in about a week or so's time to pick the drones up. But the thing is, if we're that tight for time, I'm simply not going to have enough time to go around the lost property, or whatever they call it, desk, to go and retrieve my drones. I think that's what they might be hoping for. I mean, I don't know, but I'm a little bit miffed. I'm a little bit concerned. There's a lot of equipment there which I could potentially never see again. So they got my flip, and they got the controller for that and a battery. They've got the DJI Neo. They've got 6 batteries with that. The motion controller and the goggles, so there's quite a lot of expense there which I may not see again. I hope my fears don't come to fruition, but you just never know. Yeah, I'm kind of gutted and disappointed, but fingers crossed, you know, I'll be going back with my drones rather than them staying here. That would completely mess my channel up for a while. I did explain to them I'm out here to do documentaries, as I do on holidays, you know, kind of a promotional video for Tunisia. And they kind of need it really, because tourism isn't particularly great out here and they rely on it massively. I'm thinking of sending an email to perhaps the, I don't know, the Tunisian consulate or the government or whatever else, just explaining to them that, you know, I am a bit of a YouTuber and I do promotional videos for countries, kind of, and I want my drones back. But obviously I can't do them if I haven't got them. Anyway guys, just a bit of an update there, just to let you know what's going on. No real videos apart from maybe something which I upload with my mobile phone here whilst on location in Tunisia. I hope to get back home with my drones and that I can basically pick up again where I left off some days ago. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, more updates to come as and when they occur, and I'll try and answer your comments. Wi-Fi is very sketchy out here at the moment, so if I do miss your comment, I do apologise for that. Is that bar open yet? It might actually be open now. I might go and grab myself a crafty beer or something, because it is going to be a warm one today. Right, coffee, okay. Right, thanks guys, take care, and bye for now.